Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting the pairing process now. Make sure your TV actually has Bluetooth and its firmware is up to date. Next, charge the device you'll connect, set it to discoverable, and close any apps that use audio. On the TV, use the remote to open settings, then go to the Connections or Sound menu and locate Bluetooth devices. You're doing this first because a visible device list speeds pairing. Once you see the TV scanning, keep the source device nearby and ready. Once the TV shows available devices, scan the list and choose the exact name of your phone, soundbar, or headphones. Names can be similar, so pick carefully. If a PIN or confirmation code appears, verify it matches on both screens and accept on each device. Make sure you allow permissions when prompted, because without them, audio may not route. If the TV doesn't show your device, refresh scanning and move devices closer. Intermittent radio interference. You're almost done. After pairing, test audio by playing a clip and check volume control from the connected device. If sound still comes from TV speakers, open audio output and explicitly select the Bluetooth device. Make sure TV sound mode isn't fixed to internal speakers. If there's no connection, reboot both devices and try again. Additionally, clear the Bluetooth cache on your phone or remove old pairings on the TV. As a final tip, updating firmware on both devices often resolves stubborn compatibility issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.